Hey folks, I'm super excited to present one of our newest listings. This is 3105 58th here in the Tahoe Park neighborhood in Sacramento. Tahoe Park is known for great restaurants and the Tahoe Park itself. These are great, vibrant neighborhoods, a great culture, just a super cool vibe here in Tahoe Park. This is an incredible house. It's big, it's got a big lot. It's got RV access. I've never seen that in a Tahoe Park house before. A lot of stuff here in Tahoe Park that I've never seen on any home, so go ahead and take a tour and check it out.